It is an international language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Japneet. I am here to conduct the speaking of 110854. Shall we start? What is your full name?
My name is Sakshi Verma. You may call me Sakshi.
What are you studying?
Recently I have completed my diploma from Electronics and Communication Engineering from Chandigarh.
What's your majors?
Sorry.
What's your majors in studying?
As I am having interest in this field, so I choose this field for my better future.
What are the advantages of studying instead of working?
In studying we get more knowledge, repeated and repeated, but after the work the link between our knowledge stops.
Okay. Shall we move on? Do you like cakes?
Yes, I love eating cakes.
Okay. Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, recently in lockdown I have baked 2 or 3 times in my home.
Okay. How often do you eat cakes?
If there any occasion or any birthday parties in my family or my friends, I usually eat it.
Are cakes popular in your country?
Yes, cake are one of the favorite sweet dish in my country. All the people love eating them and enjoying them.
What type of desserts are popular in your country?
As it is a tradition of having rasmalai with jalebi and also a rasgulla, most of the people like to eat it.
Okay, so here is your cue card. Describe a time when you did not tell the truth to a friend. You would say when it was, where it happened, why you did not tell the truth, and explain how you felt. You may start now.
As I have a lot of friends, but some of them are very close to me, or they are like my family friends. So one of the closest friends named Pavneet Kaur, she lives near my house, and we usually met 2 or 3 times in a day. And also we share our problems with each other most of the time, or we didn't hide anything from anything. So but 2 months ago I joined my IELTS classes, but I did not tell her about the classes, because I do not want to show off her that I am doing IELTS classes. So 1 week ago I told her about my IELTS classes, that I have joined classes since 2 months ago. Then after listening this news, she felt very bad, and also start doing start doing rude behavior with me. Then I started telling her my whole situation, why I didn't tell her about my IELTS classes and all. So, but after some time, she understand my situation and feel relaxed. But somewhere she have that question, why I didn't tell her about my IELTS classes. After that, we are best friends since 2-3 years ago. So, but yes, I explained her my all situation regarding the circumstances, and now she was having stable mind and clear view regarding my IELTS classes.
In which situations is it okay to lie to your friends?
When you know the outcomes will be good, that situation is the correct to lie with your friends.
Why do some people feel comfortable telling truth to the strangers than to the friends and family?
Because they know that strangers can understand them better as compared to their family or friends, because sometimes there was many complicated circumstances created by chance.
Is lying common in your country?
I partially agree with this statement because in some of the houses, if a children lying and a parent know that his or her child lying them, but they didn't scold them for their mistakes. But in some cases, in some homes, there was a strict rules behind it.
What should parents do if their children tell lies?
As I have seen in most of the houses, most children, most parents scold their child for lying, or some can understand them and tell them the sequence behind the lying.
Should politicians who have been caught lying be punished?
Sorry.
Should politicians who have been caught lying be punished?
Yes, some politicians who are lying caught be punished, but as we know, in India there was no strict rules behind this, so we cannot say anything.
Okay, you're speaking with Tamtam.